Welcome back to Ingezo Education. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you very much. In this video, we'll be focusing on what 2.4, which is part of complex numbers. So they say express the complex number, which is z is equals to negative 1 plus I in trigonometric polar form now. So let me just copy down the question there, the trigonometric rectangular form. Nice. We use our z now, which is 2 point how much? 2.4. Our z is equals to how much? Negative 1 plus I. There's a question there. Negative 1 plus I. Yes. Let's solve now. Thank you very much. Now, the first thing first that we need to do here, we need to determine the modulus, which is you're going to determine the z modulus, which is the root of what? A squared plus b squared now. Which is, remember, this is our rectangular form, which is our z is equals to how much? It equals to a plus what? Plus bi. So the value of a now in this case will be negative 1 all squared plus how much? Plus 1 all squared. Which is you're going to have what? The root of how much now? The root of 1 plus 1, which is the same as root of how much? Root of 2. So this is our z modulus now. Nice. Which is now the second part of this question. Now we need to determine the what? Remember, this is the what? The modulus. Now we need to determine the what? The argument now. The argument, which is we're referring to the what? To the theta now. Which is the tan ratio. Tan of theta is equals to b divided by a. It's a mark. Okay, nice. Which is we have the value of a from what? From there. Which is what are we going to have now? We're going to have tan of what? Tan of theta is equals to how much? Is equals to negative 1 divided by 1, which is our tan of theta. Theta will be equals to how much? Tan arc of how much? Of negative 1 now. Which is normally when we have something of this nature, what do? We just add when our gradient now, or the what? The tan ratio is negative. We just add with what? 180 degrees so that we can get a positive answer there. So this is what we are going to do. Second function, tan of how much? Of negative 1 plus what? 180 degrees, which is you're going to have our theta is equals to how much? 135 degrees, which is now we must express this in what? In polar form now. Our z is equals to how much? R cos of theta plus I sine of theta, which is you're going to have how much now? Sorry for that. We're going to have root of 2 into how much? Remember the modulus there, root of 2 into cos of how much? Cos of 135 degrees plus how much? I sine of how much now? 135 degrees. So remember, this can also be expressed in this format now. Root of 2, which is r cis theta. Root of 2 into cis what? 135 degrees. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to what? To subscribe and hit what? The like video. That was 2.4, which is the mark allocation for 2.4 was just how many marks there? Sorry. The mark allocation was just 4 marks there. Thank you very much. Yes, let's go through it again now. You start first determining the modulus. Then we move to what? To the argument, which is that is our argument. Then we move to what? To the polar form now, which is now, remember the polar form there, we have 2 solutions for polar form, which is, that is the other form, whereby you can write what? This polar form, which is the different form of writing a polar form there. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to what? To subscribe and like the video.